Alright, hey guys, this is Kevin and Joey right here.
How's it going?
And Kevin. We're working on a 2002, right?
Yeah, 2002 Honda Civic LX.
Alright, and we're going to be installing this guy right here. So there's seat lights, not seat lights, but footlights going right underneath, right there and there. And the first step we're going to do, disconnect the battery. Disconnected. Alright, so the second part, we disconnected the battery. We're making sure we got our gloves on, our eye protection. So we took off the side panels, we took off the base plate right here, which covered the cigarette lighter. Or not covered it, but held it. You see it's right here. What is this way? So we got it all apart, and we're gonna go ahead and splice into these wires that Joey's holding right there. Alright, so these two wires right here, we're gonna splice into each of them using our connectors. I believe Professor Vanek's called them butt connectors. And it's gonna be with these two wires right here. And these are the connectors we were talking about earlier. Put one all the way through on this side, and the other goes right in and splices with it once this metal part gets crimped down. I'm gonna go ahead and play. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and initiate the splice. Pliers. Oh, it wasn't out enough?
No, it's just the other wire came out. So.
Get in here a little bit better. Cool. Flip that latch over. Closing.
There we go.
Tug on the red one, see if it's in there.
Yeah.
Cool.
So.
And we just spliced the positive wire. Next is a negative. So we are going to splice the negative side of the wire now. It's hard to get a good angle in here, but you can tell that both wires get into both holes. And then that metal piece gets jabbed down into them and splices them together. See? Went down. Yep. Then latch it over to secure it.
Good to go.
And we are spliced. Tug on the wires just a little bit, make sure nothing's moving.
Yep, we're good to go.
Good. Let's get in here, close look. Negative, positive. Spliced. This is still intact for the cigarette lighter. And this is the cable going to our lights. There it comes to here. This is where we connect the LED strips. One's going to be on this side. One's gonna be on that side. Alright guys, so we're back. We had some issues with these little clamps right here. So this metal part that we're supposed to put in, I can't show you right now because it clips on. this part out. So this metal part right here didn't go all the way through our wires, and that was the reason why well, you're not going to see in the video that it took this longer, but we had to troubleshoot it and figure it out, and we figured out that the metal clip was not going all the way through. So if you're using these clips, make sure it pierces completely through the wires. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and test it out. And there we go. Our wires light up with our cables. Now we're going to set everything up to make it look good.
Now here's the hardest part.
Next part is we're going to install the base part of the cigarette lighter back onto there. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and reinsert this part into the back of the cigarette lighter portion. That's going to be on the other side now. Yeah. I think flip. Or no, yeah, just like that. When you get that connected. Alright, so this is what it looks like when it's reinstalled and clipped in. Now we're going to put these little side parts on. Alright guys, so we got everything installed here. Just finishing up on this end right here. So we got our dial, our selector for all the colors. Then we got everything routed under through here and stuck to the bottom, as you can see. Boom! And we have light. Then we go over to this side, same thing. It's all hidden underneath, all tucked up, nice and neat. And I'll show you from the outside. It looks better at night, but yeah. Alright, once you're done with everything, you can go ahead and reconnect the battery cables and you're all set.